Welcome back to Little Bites Kitchen, the home of healthy and simple baby recipes. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It really helps our channel grow and it means a lot to us. Today, we're making a full day of nutritious meals for your baby. Breakfast, snacks, lunch, and dinner. Let's get started. Breakfast: rice cereal with dates and chia plus pear plus yogurt. Let's begin with breakfast, a gentle and nutrient-rich meal perfect for babies. In a small bowl, add 20 grams of rice, flour and mix it with a little water to make a smooth slurry. Boil 100 milliliters of water, then slowly pour in the rice mixture while stirring. Cook until it thickens. Next, add 6 grams of date paste. This gives natural sweetness and provides iron and energy. For chia, soak 2 grams of chia seeds in warm water until soft. Mix the soaked chia into 20 grams of plain yogurt to add probiotics and healthy fats. Steam 15 grams of pear until soft. Serve your breakfast plate. Creamy rice cereal with date, soaked chia, mixed with yogurt, and soft steamed pear. This meal is rich in iron, fiber, and probiotics. Snack: 1 avocado cubes. For the first snack, we're keeping it simple and nutritious. Cut 20 grams of ripe avocado into small cubes, perfect for little beginner fingers. Avocado is full of healthy fats that support brain development. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell for more daily baby-friendly recipes. Lunch: zucchini, potato, and boiled egg. Now let's prepare lunch: gentle, smooth, and full of energy. Cook 25 grams of zucchini and 30 grams of potato together until soft. Boil 1 egg separately. Once cooked, mash the zucchini and potato. Separate half of the egg yolk and a small amount of egg white. Add them into the mash and mix well. Finish with a small drizzle of olive oil for healthy fats. This lunch provides energy, choline, and vitamin C, perfect for growth and brain development. Snack: 2 banana and peanut butter. For the second snack, mash 15 grams of banana until smooth. Add 2 grams of peanut butter and mix well. This snack is creamy, delicious, and filled with energy and healthy fats. Dinner salmon, broccoli and carrot. Let's finish the day with a nutritious dinner packed with DHA and antioxidants. Cook 20 grams of salmon and 25 grams of carrot together until the salmon is soft. After 3 to 4 minutes, add 20 grams of broccoli. Continue cooking until everything is tender. Mash gently until smooth. This meal supports brain development and provides plenty of fiber and vitamins. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It really helps our channel grow and it means a lot to us. Thank you for watching today's full day meal plan for babies. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment below to support Little Bites Kitchen. Share this video with another mom. It might help someone today. See you in the next recipe. Bye.